Hello, my name is Ruth, and I would like to help you learn new words in English. Join me next for Hello Word Power on Hello Channel. This is Hello Channel. Hello, I'm Ruth Todd. Welcome to Hello Word Power. Today, we're learning words in English that begin with the letter I. I, capital I, small I. Are you ready? Let's begin. Invade, invade, invade. Now you say it, invade. Yes, say it again, invade. One more time. Invade. Well done. Invade means to send armed forces into another country in order to take it over. The soldiers plan to invade the island. Say it again. Invade. Yes, that's correct. Invent. 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 You try it. Invent. Yes, say it again. Invent. One more time. Invent. Well done. Invent means to think up or create something new. The writer wishes to invent a new world in his story. Can you invent a new machine? Invent. Say it again. Invent. Yes. Well done. Invest. 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 Now you say it with me. Invest. Repeat. Invest. One more time. Invest. Well done. Invest means to give or lend money to something, such as a company, in a belief that you will get more money back in the future. They wanted to invest in a new restaurant franchise. Say it again. Invest. Correct. Investigate. 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 Now, you say it. Investigate. Again, investigate. Try one more time. Investigate. Yes, that's correct. If you investigate something, such as a crime, you find out as much as possible about it. The police had to investigate the scene of the crime. Investigate. Invite. 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 Now you say it. Invite. Again, invite. One more time. Invite. Well done. Invite means to ask someone to do something or to go somewhere. Holly wanted to invite her friends to her party. Say it again. Invite. Yes, that's correct. Involve. 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 Repeat with me. Involve. Let's say it again. Involve. Yes, involve. That's correct. Well done. Involve means to include something as a necessary part. The project will involve hours of library research. She wants to involve both boys and girls in the school production. Say it again. Involve. Yes, correct. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power. Hello. That's right, I said hello. I'm talking about an exciting new television channel that will change your life. My name is Ruth, and I want you to be one of the first to know about Hello Channel. Hello Channel is designed to teach you to speak English. Anyone can learn. we offer something for everyone. You'll see programming for children, teenagers, and adults, all on different levels. With Hello Channel, you'll hear, see, read, and speak English as you're watching entertaining television programs, making it easy to learn. If you've always wanted to learn English but haven't had a chance, Hello Channel is perfect for you. Start today, and remember, for a brighter future, just say hello. Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Irate. I rate. Irate. You say it. Irate. Again, irate. One last time. Irate. That's correct. Irate means extremely angry or annoyed. Father was irate when Dan damaged the car. Irate. Say it again. Correct. Iron. 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 Now you try it. Iron. Again. Iron. One more time. Iron. Yes, well done. Iron is a strong, hard metal used to make things such as gates or railings. Many ornate gates are made of iron. And iron is also a piece of electrical equipment, a small appliance that has a handle and a heated surface. And iron is used to smooth creases and wrinkles out of clothing. Bob needs to iron his wrinkled shirt before he goes to work. Say it again. Iron. Yes, that's correct. Irrigate. 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 Now you say it. Irrigate. Again. Irrigate. One more time. Irrigate. That's correct. Irrigate means to supply water to crops by artificial means. The farmer must irrigate his fields every day during the hot summer. Irrigate. Say it again. Irrigate. Yes. Island. 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 Now you say it. Island. Yes. Again. Island. One more time. Island. Yes, correct. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. The Hawaiian Islands are very beautiful. Island. Say it one more time. Island. Well done. Issue. 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 Say it with me. Issue. Yes, let's say it again. Issue. One more time. Issue. Correct. An issue is a topic for discussion or debate. Many different issues will be covered during the meeting. Issue is also an edition of a newspaper or a magazine. He bought the current issue of his favorite magazine. Issue can also mean to send out or to give out. The school will issue us the necessary sports equipment. Issue. Say it again. Issue. That's correct. Well done. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
You can learn English if you'll just say hello.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. It. 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 Now you try it. It. Again. It. One more time. It. That's correct. It is a pronoun. It is a word that replaces the name of a person, place, or thing. It is a red ball. Give it to her. It. Say it again. It. That's correct. Itch. It. Ch. Itch. Now you try it. Itch. Let's say it again. Itch. One more time. Itch. Yes, that's right. Itch means your skin is uncomfortable and you want to scratch it. The insect bites made Robert's skin itch all night long. Itch. Correct. Item. 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 Let's say it together. Item. Now you say it. Item. Again, item. That's correct. Item means one of a number of things. That dress is a pretty item of clothing. There are many items to purchase in the store. Say it again. Item. Yes, correct. Ivy. 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 You say it. Ivy. Yes, again. Ivy. One more time. Ivy. That's correct. Ivy is a green climbing plant. The brick building is covered with ivy. The woman decided to let the ivy grow all up the sides of her brick house. Ivy. Say it again. Ivy. Correct. Well done. You did very well today. Now, practice some of the new words you learned on Hello Word Power. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.